Hello, I'm Deborah Young. I'm from Raymond, Mississippi. I traveled 6 hours to come to this Posh Academy Draping Masterclass today to be with Miss Precious Stevens. I've had the opportunity to engage with her online and some of my classmates, some who I have met online and to engage with, but I've had the opportunity today to meet with them face to face and not just see them online. And I have thoroughly enjoyed them, as well as Miss Precious, who is an amazing, dynamic person who pours her heart out to you to make you become the person that you should be and brings the fear out of you to help you to become the person that you can be with all that is in you to help you to improve your business. So I have learned so much to take back home to my business so that I can improve my draping, which I have tried and done what I thought was the best, but it was not my best. And Miss Precious will tell you with her heart and so passionately that no, you cannot do that because that is not right. What you got going on here? And she does it with not meaning any harm, but she helps. So I appreciate that. She has really helped me, and I know that she has helped our classmates. So that if you're thinking about this class and you've seen her online, I recommend it to you because I thought about it, and actually I tried to get into the class when she was in NOLA. Unfortunately, I did not make the class, but I'm so happy that I was able to become a part of this class. And I actually wish that I could become a part of the class on tomorrow, but I am not. But I will be back and engage in other classes, and thank you very much.